Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Credit card accounts track the balances of business credit cards. You should create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online for each business credit card account. To create a credit card account in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Chart of Accounts page. Then click the New button in the upper right corner of the Chart of Accounts page to open the New Account pane at the right side of the window. Select the Credit Cards button at the top of the pane to select the account type. Select the Credit Cards choice from the Save Account Under dropdown. Then select Credit Card from the Tax Forms section dropdown. Then type the credit card account's name into the Account Name field. Optionally, enter a description of it into the Description field. If needed, to record a credit card account that has a balance as of a previous date, click the Starting Date and Opening Balance link to expand that section. Then select a date choice from the Date to Start Tracking This Account in QuickBooks dropdown. If you select the Other Date choice, then use the Start Date Calendar selector to select the desired date. For all other choices, then enter the account's balance into the Account Balance at End of Day, Day Before Selected Date field. If creating a new account with no activity, you can skip all these fields. To save the account and close the window, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the New Account pane.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.